Pahinga muna ang isar na dahil talagang napagod na makakakala nyo. Naring. So, padil pa mo. Ako na si Ante. Ante niya talagang hindi nakaya. Ay, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah.
What number?
80 right there, right in the road.
The campers right there?
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. I didn't see your tag in the window, so I just checked.
Oh, the truck probably left. We switched cars.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I just checking. I don't want to bother you.
All right.
Hindi, sabihin mo. Hindi naman. Nakapadaan lang kami dito. Ito naman eh. Nakapadaan kami. Nasa pa namin mag-fish. So, natapos na ito. Yung isang ganito, dinala na doon. May ganun pa. May isa pa doon.